Sealed enclosures used in industrial automation, vehicles, battery housings, cellular base stations, and other applications need to equalize pressure without compromising their sealing performance. Amphenol LTW overpressure relief vents, available from Mouser Electronics, are offered with a wide range of air permeability ratings to prevent the sudden rise of heat or pressure within an enclosure, avoiding the potential for damage or degradation those conditions can cause. They're IP68 and IP69K rated and use hydrophobic and oleophobic membranes, providing effective venting while preventing ingress and reducing condensation. The overpressure relief vents are offered in a variety of shapes and sizes, with metallic shell options rated for up to 150 degrees Celsius and plastic shell options rated for up to 120 degrees Celsius. They feature a screw-type assembly with a silicone O-ring and are offered as rectangular vents or as piercing or spring-loaded circular vents.